Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase Discord orbs, like avatar decorations, and like the rest that you can purchase with Discord orbs. Unfortunately, you cannot probably purchase them if they are like affiliated with something else, like they are collabing with something. But if it's like originally from Discord, they're going to give it to you, I guess. So if you want to like separate that, you're just going to go to quests and then you're going to select this instead of going to shops. So open the shop and they'll only give you like orb exclusives. Okay, maybe you can do it from shop, but I prefer it like this. But if you go to shop, there's an Orbs Exclusives tab in which you can purchase stuff here using your Discord orb. And they'll show you like the things you can get by like from it. But yeah, like this, you can also claim for Discord orbs, or you can like buy it instead. But that's pretty much it, really. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I still don't know what I want to. Like this one, you cannot purchase using Discord orbs because it's like a collab. This one you can. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.